Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Inventor. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude to make this solid and the Extrude to make this cut, to add material and to remove material. So open your Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch here. Here will be the midpoint. So the first thing that we make, we'll create these lines here. We have all the dimensions here. 100 millimeters, this line, 25 here, 25 and 8 millimeters. So open the Inventor, go to Start 2D Sketch and select the right plane here. Select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here. Make this sketch. Now active the dimension and the distance here is 100 millimeters, 25 here, 25 here, and 8 millimeters here. We have this profile. So finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this. We needed to extrude 50 millimeters or 25 to this side and 25 to this side. So go to Extrude and the profile is this profile. The direction here, select symmetric, and the distance here is 50 millimeters, okay? Press OK. We made this body here. Now we needed to create this hole with 20 millimeters of diameter and the distance between the center of the circle here and this edge is 55 millimeters. And we know that the center of the circle is vertical with the midpoint here, okay? So go to Start 2D Sketch and select this face here. Select a circle. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. Now go to dimension, the distance between the center of the circle and this edge here is 55 millimeters. And now go to constraints and select vertical constraints. Select this point and this point here, okay? Finish the sketch. Now go to Extrude and the profile is this circle. The output here, select cut. And the distance here, select it through all. And press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.